Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at an exciting new part for the 66 to 77 Broncos, our new emergency brake pedal assembly. Until now, finding a replacement for the emergency brake assembly on those first generation Broncos was nearly impossible. Dennis Carpenter now offers an exact reproduction of the original emergency brake pedal assembly, ready to bolt right into your Bronco straight out of the package. Made with the same attention to detail as the original, this assembly features the correct release knob stamping and a proper foot pedal pad. Replacing your old or missing emergency brake pedal not only enhances the look of your interior, but it also provides a smoother operating brake and added safety if your original is broken or missing. With Dennis Carpenter's commitment to quality and authenticity, you can trust that your Bronco restoration is in good hands. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.